You guys are here for the giveaway. Here we are again, YouTube. Today, we're going to get down to the nitty-gritty, dirty bitty bit of the motherfucking making Ejuice. I'm going to show you how to do it the simple way. We're not going to get down to the technicalities or anything like that today. Just quick and easy. Something cheap that you can do at your home by yourself, and it ain't going to cost you $4 million. So, I say, let's get down to it. You're going to want to get all your shit together at once, so you're not running around the house like a motherfucking idiot. So I'll give you your time to do that, and I'll do the same. Voila. Now, alright, let's get down to this shit. I mean, this is just basics. I ain't got anything special going on here. Got me a 60 milliliter bottle I'm working with. I'm just going to make one bottle of juice at 3 milligrams. I'm going to show you how it works. What you're going to need, you're going to need your USP grade glycerin, vegetable glycerin that is, and your USP grade propylene glycol. You're going to need some flavors, whatever flavor you choose. I got some blueberry waffle graham here, some vanilla, some blue raspberry, some grape, all from Flavor West. I do prefer their shit. It just has the best flavor. They have everything ranging from candies to fruits to true natural flavors like a crisp apple or fucking stuff like an apple sour apple sucker. Everything wide range. It's really good stuff. So that's where I go for my shit. Alright, let's get down to this. Now, I normally have an app that I would use for this sort of thing, but my app's on this phone here that I'm recording with. So I've got it all up here. That's why this is just going to be a nitty-gritty, get it done, show you how it is business. So, let's see. I always have 100 milligram nicotine because I just like to work with it. It's easier to dilute and fucking make more out of less there. So we'll start there. For a 60 milliliter bottle to make 3 milligrams, you're going to need about 2 milliliters worth of this 100 milligram juice for a 60 milliliter bottle. So I'll get that done up. Alright. Just about 2. I always keep these syringes around because it makes it a hell of a lot easier to do things, and I don't like to get fucking messy. That takes care of the nicotine part, which is the dangerous and shitty part, whatever. Bam. Put that away, get the job done, whatever. Alright, so after you add that, I always add my flavor extract. We're just going to go with something, you know, basic this time. Let's see. I'm going to go with a 1 flavor base. You can mix and match, you know, 2% this, 5% this, 7% this, but you don't have to. That's for later on when you're deciding you want to make different flavors and what have you. So, alright. I'm going to need about 13 milliliters of whatever I use to get it about 20 to 22% flavor extract. You don't have to go that high. People go either between 15 to 25. I go to 22. I like a lot of flavor. Let's see. Alright. Let's go with a blue raspberry. Fuck it. We'll make a blue raspberry today, guys. I haven't made one of those in a long time, and I've got a lot of extract. We'll even go a half and half. Half blue raspberry, half vanilla custard, just to be fun. So, if I need about 12, I'm going to need 6 of each. I've got me a 30 milliliter syringe here. It really helps. I'm going to just go ahead and do half in each. And now a lot of people are going to talk shit because I fucking am going to get a little bit of each flavor in the other bottle. I don't care about cross-contaminating. It's whatever. This is my shit. You may feel differently. You may want to do it a different way, but you don't have to, and I don't have to either. So it's good. This is just a quick go-to, you know, for those people out there that are still spending $20 for a fucking bottle of juice when you don't have to. I'm over here making this shit for nothing. I can make a 60 milliliter bottle for about $3, and it is worth it, trust me. So there's my shit, about 12, almost 13 milliliters. Now this is where the part gets tricky, because not everybody mixes with the same ratio, 50-50, PG-VG, 70-30, 80-20, blah, 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 blah. You'll mix half and half, but you have to kind of take into consideration what this is. So if your flavor base is all PG, you're going to want to take that into consideration. If your nicotine is 50-50, you'll want to take that into consideration based upon your percentages on what you need for this. I took the shortcut, and this here is actually, no, this one here is actually a 2-to-1 mixture of vegetable glycerin. More VG than PG, because this shit here is my PG and my other stuff. I'm gonna mix this straight in there like that, and it ain't even gonna fucking be an issue. So I'm not gonna give you an exact on how much needs to go back into this bottle of this, because I mean I just pour it in there to finish it off, because I've already got this mixed exactly how I want it based on how much flavor extract I use and how much PG is in my stuff. It's gonna differ between people, so this is up to you. Fill this bad boy up, preferably without getting shit all over the place. Leave a tiny bit of airspace in the top, you know, just so that it has that airspace to steep. Mix that bitch. You only need to mix it for, you know, a good 10-20 seconds like this, and it'll be good to go. Like, I go through juice so fast that I don't typically steep mine. I don't wait, leave it on the shelf out of the sunlight so that the flavors can break down and add itself to the juice, really. If I keep a flavor that long, it's because I have multiple flavors sitting on my shelf and I'm just dicking around. But what I'm working on now is, like, I have my stuff built in this, or made in this, and this bottle's only lasted me about a week, so I would have to make a lot to keep it going. But again, that's up to you. And now that you know how to make your own, you can fucking do it yourself. Now, I picked up all of that shit, and I'm not kidding, all of that stuff for $60. And that has lasted me 4 or 5 months now. And how much are you paying for a week on Ejuice? 30 milliliters, $20. That's easily gone in a week. Easily. So if you guys are one of those people that is kind of like, I don't know if I want to pay for that, you know, this is a good way to go. Go with making your own Ejuice and stop paying so much money. If you're one of those people that likes the new flavor and wants to always try out a new company and a new thing, that's cool. You pay $20 a bottle for juice. That's cool. I don't give a shit. Occasionally I like to do the same thing. But this is my go-to because I like to make my own flavors. I like to have my own shit on tap, and I don't like to have to pay $20 for a fucking 15 to 30 milliliter bottle. That's ridiculous. Anyway, pow! Back at you with another review, and this was for you guys. Oh wow, that was a weak hit. Let me give you another one for the end of the video.